Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a bundle on Vinted. So first of all, you need to either come here on vinted.com or you can follow the same steps inside your Vinted application. Just make sure that you sign in into your account if you haven't already. Now over here, when you are on the home page, you just have to click on the product in which you are interested, and then you just have to simply select the seller's profile and browse the items that they have listed for sales. Now over here, as you can see, this is the profile of the person and they have listed basically 44 items. Now among these items, you just have to select that particular item in which you are interested, and right next to it you are going to see the option of buy, and on some of the listings you are also going to see the option of add to bundle depending on the version of the application that you are using. So currently I don't have the option of adding a bundle, so I'm just going to simply select the option of buy now. Now over here, when you click the option of buy now, you will be basically shown that you need to provide all of these details, but before that your item will be added into the cart, and then you will be able to add everything that you want, but it should be relating to the seller that you want to basically add in that bundle. So if the seller offers bundle discounts, the reduced price will be applied automatically. Otherwise, you can send the seller a message to negotiate the total price before completing your purchase. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.